Good morning, students. Today we will discuss some JEE concept, that is nothing but conic section. So you already know that in conic section mainly four concepts, right? So first one circle, second one parabola, third one ellipse, so last one hyperbola. So today we will discuss some problems related on circles. So these problems are very important for your JEE mains exams. Okay, first one. So if the tangent at 1 comma 7 to the curve x square is equal to y minus x touches the circle x square plus y square plus 16x plus 12y plus c is equal to 0, then the value of c is option A 95, B 195, C 185, D 85. So we have to find the value of C. So here they already given, if the tangent at 1 comma 7 to the curve x square is equal to y minus x is nothing but parabola. So tangent touches the circle. So observe the diagram. So circle, tangent touches the circle, tangent at 1 comma 7 touches the circle x square plus y square plus 16x plus 12y plus c is equal to 0. Then the value of c is, so we have to find the value of c. So they already given tangent at 1 comma 7 to the curve x square is equal to y minus x. So if I differentiating this equation, we get the slope of the tangent. So solution. So given x square is equal to y minus x, then y is equal to x square plus 6. If I differentiating y with respect to x, that means dy by dx. So differentiation of x square 2x, differentiation of 6, constant term 0. So dy by dx is equal to 2x. So tangent at 1 comma 7, so x is equal to 1, y is equal to 7. If x is equal to 1, we get 2. So dy by dx is equal to 2. So dy by dx is nothing but slope. Dy by dx is nothing but slope. M is equal to 2. So we know that if the given 2 points and m value, then equation of the tangent at 1 comma 7. Equation of the tangent is nothing but line equation, right? So y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So we have to find the line equation, the given tangent equation. So y minus y1. So here 1 comma 7, x1 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to 7. So m value 2. If I solving this one, so finally we get y minus 7 is equal to 2 into x, 2x minus 2. So 2x, so plus y, take it into RHS minus y. So minus 2 plus 7 plus 5, which is equal to 0. This is the equation of the given tangent or line equation, and also given circle equation. So circle equation of the circle, x square plus y square plus 16x plus 12y plus c is equal to 0. The equation is of the form, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So comparing, 2g is equal to 16, 2f is equal to 12, then c value c. So if I solving, g is equal to 16 by 2, 8, f is equal to 12 by 2, 6. So we know that center, so center formula in standard equation of a circle, minus g comma minus f. We already find g and f value. So minus 8, minus 6. Then how to find the value of radius in case of standard equation of a circle? So r is equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c, right? So r is equal to, so we have to find radius, right? So r is equal to, so already, so here already g value minus 8, g value 8, r value G value 8, so F value 6 minus C. So if I solving this one, so we get R is equal to 8 square 64, 6 square 36 minus C. So 64 plus 36, 100 minus C, right? R is equal to 100 minus C. So next formula, important formula, the equation of the circle with center h comma k touching the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is of the form. So equation of the circle with center h comma k touching the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is of the form. This is very important formula. That means x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to ah plus b k plus c divided by square root of a square plus b square whole square. So observe the diagram. The equation of the circle touching the line. So center h comma k touching the line. So this line equation ax plus by plus c. Then the formula, direct formula, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to ah plus bk plus c divided by square root of a square plus b square whole square. So we know that equation of a circle x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is nothing but what? R square, right? The standard formula x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is always equal to R square. Then total value which is equal to R square is equal to, again you write same term, okay? If I take square root on both sides, so square and square root cancel, square and square root directly cancel, square and square root directly cancel. So finally we get R is equal to, so R is nothing but we already find the value of R. R is equal to square root of 100 minus C. So here square and square root cancel, so A value, so A is nothing but, so equation we already find equation, right? So AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0. This is the equation of the line. We already find the equation of the tangent. So 2x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. So here A value, A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 1, C is equal to 5. So H value, H is equal to what? Minus 8. Then K is equal to minus 6. So direct substitution, A value 2, H value minus 8, B value minus 1, K value minus 6 plus 5 divided by A square plus B square. A value 2 square, so B square minus 1 square. So if I solving this equation, so minus 18, so minus into minus plus 6 plus 5. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವೇನು ತೊಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತೊಳ್ತೀರಾ. If I taking modulus, so finally we get 5 divided by root 5. So 5 can be written as root 5 into root 5. So root 5 cancel. Finally we get root 5. So squaring on both sides. So which is equal to square and square root cancel. So finally we get 100 minus C is equal to 5. So C is equal to, so C is equal to 100 minus 5, 95. Then the constant value C is equal to 95. So option, so first question, option A. Option A. Okay. Next problem. Second problem. Next one. Second problem is, so three circle of radii A comma B comma C, the already given condition A less than B less than C touch each other externally if they have x-axis as a common tangent. Then option A, 1 by root A is equal to 1 by root B plus 1 by root C. B is equal to B, option B, A, B, C are in AP. Option C, root A comma root B comma root C are in AP. Option D, 1 by root B is equal to 1 by root A plus 1 by root C. So they already given three circles of radii A, B, C. So A less than B less than C touches each other externally. So if they have the x-axis as a common tangent. So three circles ke x-axis ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, common axis ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So observe the diagram. So three circles. So here A value, first one A touches B externally and less than C, having x-axis as a common tangent, right? So here radii, they already given radii A, first circle A, B, C. So 3 circle A, B, C. So direct formula, we know that if two circle touches externally, if two circles touches externally on this externally along the x-axis are common tangent, touches externally having the common tangent, then distance between A to C is equal to direct formula. That means if they are having radii R1 and R2, so direct formula AC is equal to square root of R1 plus R2 whole square minus R1 minus R2 whole square. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? If two circle touches externally having the common tangent, same common tangent, then distance between A to C, so direct formula square root of R1 plus R2 whole square minus R1 minus R2 whole square. So observe the diagram. Then AB can be written as, AB is nothing but AC plus BC. AB is equal to AC plus BC or CB. So by using this formula, so AB is nothing but, AC is nothing but, so R1 plus R2. So here AB. So ನೋಡಿ observe ಮಾಡಿ diagram AB. Radii ಏನಿದೆ B and C. That means square root of B plus C whole square minus B minus C whole square, which is equal to AC. AC is nothing but radii B and A. B plus AC, right? So AB, B plus, so AB first. So B plus C whole square minus B minus C whole square. So AC. So AC is nothing but B plus A whole square, B plus A whole square minus B minus A whole square. CB. So CB is nothing but radii AC. So A plus C whole square. So minus A minus C whole square. So if I solving this one, so finally we get, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು expand ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಏನು A plus B whole square, A minus B whole square. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್. ಸೊ ಫೈನಲಿ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ square root of 4BC. So in RHS, if I solving these equations, finally we get square root of 4AB plus 4AC. So here root 4 common, right? Take it outside. So root 4 get cancelled. Next step, dividing throughout by square root of ABC. So BC divided by square root of ABC, which is equal to square root of AB divided by square root of ABC plus square root of AC divided by square root of ABC. So here square root of BC, square root of BC cancels. So finally we get 1 by root A is equal to 1 by root C plus 1 by root B. So option A. So ನೋಡಿ formula ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, if two circles touches externally, so having the common tangent, then distance between A to C, distance between A to C is formula square root of R1 plus R2 whole square minus R1 minus R2 whole square. Okay, next problem. Next one. Next problem. So if a point P has coordinates, so 0, -2, and Q is any point on the circle. So they already given circle equation, x square plus y square minus 5x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Then the maximum value of PQ whole square is option A 25 plus root 6 divided by 7, option B 8 plus 5 into root 3, option C 14 plus 5 root 3, option D 47 plus 10 root 6 divided by 2. So they already given, if a point P has coordinates, they already given coordinates, and Q is any point on the circle, x square plus y square minus 5x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0, then the maximum value of P. So observe the diagram. Let Q be any point on the circle. So P is any point having the coordinates 0, minus 2. So we have to find first circle center value and radius value. Okay, so given equation of the circle. So equation of the circle, x square plus y square, they already given. X square plus y square minus 5x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. So equation of the standard equation of a circle. So standard equation of a circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So comparing these two equations, so 2g is equal to minus 5, 2f is equal to 2f is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 5. If I solving this equation, g is equal to minus 5 by 2, f is equal to minus 1 by 2, c is equal to 5. So we know that center formula minus g comma minus f. So minus into minus plus 5 by 2, 1 by 2. So how to find radius? So radius is nothing but formula square root of g square plus f square minus c. Then substituting the value. So g value minus 5 by 2. Next f value minus 1 by 2, c value 5. So direct agi substitute ಮಾಡಿ. So substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ final ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ? So ನೋಡಿ, r is equal to 5 by 2 whole square, 1 by 2 whole square minus 5. If I solving these equations, so finally we get square root of 3 by 2. So observe the diagram. So next you consider CP. So consider CP, distance. So we have to find maximum value of PQ square. Before that, so we find distance between C to P. So distance between C to P by using formula, distance formula, right? So nodi, consider CP. So by using distance formula, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಡಿ c value ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ c value ಏನಿದೆ cp ಅಂದ್ರೆ x1 y1 x2 y2 ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ cp is equal to 5 divided by root 2. ಸೊ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮಗೆ cp value 5 divided by root 2. But we want to find pq whole square. Before that we should find pq value. So observe the diagram. So pq, observe the diagram. So pq is nothing but cp plus qc, right? Therefore pq is equal to cp plus cq. So cp value ಏನಿದೆ? cp is nothing but ಏನು? cp is nothing but, so already ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ 5 by root 2. cq is nothing but radius. ನೀವು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So cq is nothing but radius. So root square root of 3 by 2. If I solving this equation, pq is equal to by solving this equation, pq is equal to 5 plus root 3 divided by root 2. So squaring on both sides. So pq square is equal to, if I squaring this one, a plus b whole square. So 5 square plus root 3 whole square plus 2ab, 2 into 5 into root 3 divided by 2. So solve ಮಾಡಿ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? 25 plus 3 plus 10 root 3 divided by 2. So 25 plus 3, 28 divided by 2 plus 10 by 2. So 14 plus 5 root 3. PQ square is equal to maximum value 14 plus 5 root 3. So option C. C is the correct option. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಏನು? ಸೊ ನೀವು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟು ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಸಿ ಪಿನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಸಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್. ಸೊ ಸಿ ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಸಿ ಪಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಕ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ಫೈನಲಿ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ 14 plus 5 root 3. Okay, thank you.